Imagine a world where the number of online learners surpasses those in traditional classrooms. Well, you don't have to because you're living in it. In recent years, education has seen a significant shift from traditional classrooms to the digital sphere, greatly facilitated by the rise of cloud computing. This change isn't temporary, it's a new reality we must adapt to. Online learning platforms made possible by cloud computing offer flexibility, breaking geographical boundaries and providing access to vast resources. They also enable personalized learning and foster collaboration, making the quality of education even better. However, this shift isn't without hurdles such as lack of face-to-face interaction and digital literacy. Yet, with appropriate strategies, these challenges can be overcome, making e-learning an effective experience. The question isn't if you should adapt to e-learning, rather how to make it work for you. Classroom learning and e-learning, two sides of the same coin yet so different. This sets the scene for our exploration of each mode's pros and cons. Classroom learning, as we know, is a communal experience. It fosters interaction and teamwork, yet lacks flexibility because of set schedules locations. On the side, e-learning is flexible and accessible, fitting into any schedule or location. However, it can feel isolating and may lack the richness of direct interaction. Both methods have adaptability issues. Traditional classrooms are curtailed by fixed curriculums and resources. E-learning, though, can incorporate new information swiftly. There's no one-size-fits-all in education. The key is understanding what each mode of learning brings to the table. Remembering this, we can leverage both methods' strengths and address challenges to create a conducive learning environment. We hope you're enjoying the video so far. We're passionate about exploring the future of education, and we're glad you're on this journey with us. If you're finding our content valuable, we'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and share it with others who might be interested. This not only helps us reach a wider audience, but it also fosters a richer discussion, offering different perspectives and insights. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you won't miss our future updates. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Now let's continue with our discussion. As we delve deeper into the evolving landscape of education, remember that your thoughts and experiences matter. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or simply someone interested in learning, we encourage you to share your views. After all, education is a shared journey, and your insights could help shape its future. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Now back to our exploration of the future of education. The future of education isn't on the horizon, it's here, now. We're not discussing mere digital textbooks or online exams. We're envisioning a total transformation in learning, teaching, and interaction. Consider navigating a virtual reality world to explore human anatomy or to walk amidst dinosaurs. It's about immersion in the subject, not just observing it. Technology exists and is continually improving. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another factor. It's about personalizing learning, not just automating tasks. With AI, education be tailored to each learner, creating a unique learning experience. The rise of cloud computing has democratized education, irrespective of location. As long as there's an internet connection, education is accessible. It isn't just about access, but collaboration. Cloud-based platforms enable real-time cooperation among students and educators worldwide. These technologies aren't gimmicks. They are tools to overcome educational challenges like access, engagement, and personalization. They're designed to augment the traditional classroom, not replace it. Education technology isn't about replacing the classroom, it's about enhancing it. Balance, it's not just a concept, it's a necessity in learning. Education has undergone a significant transformation, with traditional classrooms and e-learning both contributing to shaping minds. Both have their strengths. Classrooms offer interactive experiences, fostering discipline and diverse perspectives. E-learning breaks down geographical barriers, offering flexibility and personalization. Yet they also have challenges. Classrooms can be restrictive, while e-learning may lack immediate feedback. But they're not rivals, they're allies, each complementing the other for a holistic learning environment. The future isn't about discarding the old for the new, but merging the best of both. We must utilize the interaction, discipline, and community of classrooms and the flexibility, personalization, and accessibility of e-learning. As technology reshapes education, striking the right balance is crucial. It's about using technology to enhance, not replace learning. In conclusion, the educational landscape of 2024 is a symphony of traditional and digital elements, each playing their part to create a harmonious learning experience. It's not about choosing between the classroom and the computer, it's about finding the balance that works for you. Now that we've shared our insights, it's time for you to share yours. We've explored the changing landscape of education, from physical classrooms to e-learning. We've discussed the merits and downsides and envisioned the future of education technology. Now it's your turn. What's your perfect learning environment? Old school classroom or digital learning space? Do you welcome the advent of virtual reality and AI in education, or find it overhyped? Your voice is important in this rapidly evolving educational sphere. Each perspective contributes to a richer understanding of this complex matter. Don't hesitate, speak out about your experiences, aspirations, and reservations. The comment section awaits your input. Use it to share your views, ask questions, and interact with fellow education enthusiasts. This is your chance to steer the educational evolution. But this isn't the end of the conversation. Our exploration of education's transformative power continues. So, hit subscribe to join a community of lifelong learners and innovators. Remember, every perspective matters in shaping the future of education. So don't forget to subscribe for more educational content like this. Until next time, keep learning.